In this video, we will be diving into the basics of the grep command. We will learn how to search text using basic patterns and options. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use grep to efficiently find the information you need within files. Let's start by understanding what exactly grep is. Grep is a powerful command line utility for searching text patterns in files. The name grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. It searches for patterns in text files and returns lines that match the specified pattern. This makes it an essential tool for text processing in Linux and Unix-like operating systems. Consider a text file. The grep command will take a pattern as input, search for lines matching the pattern inside the file, and display the matching lines as output. Now let's discuss the basic syntax of the grep command. The general structure is as follows: grep followed by options, then the pattern you want to search for enclosed in single quotes, and finally the file or files you want to search in. For example, to search for the word Linux in a file named file.txt, you would type grep, then in single quotes, Linux, followed by file.txt. Another example would be to search for the word error in all files ending with .log. In this case, the command would be grep error *.log. The asterisk is a wildcard character that matches any sequence of characters, so *.log matches all files with the .log extension. Let's explore some basic options that can be used with the grep command. First, we have the I option, which stands for case insensitive. When you use this option, grep ignores case distinctions in both the pattern and the input files. For example, the command grep ilinuxfile.txt will match Linux, 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 and any other variation of the word. Next, there's the V option, which inverts the match. Instead of showing lines that contain the pattern, it shows all the lines that do not contain the pattern. The command grep v errorlog.txt will display all lines in log.txt that don't contain the word error. The in option displays line numbers. It prefixes each line of the output with the line number within its input file. For instance, grep in function script.js will show the line numbers along with the matching lines in script.js. Lastly, the C option provides a count of matching lines. It suppresses the normal output and instead prints a count of the number of lines that match the pattern. For example, grep cwarningsystem.log will output only the number of lines in system.log that contain the word warning. Here are some more useful options that you can use with the grep command. The R option allows you to search recursively. It reads all files under each directory, recursively following symbolic links if they occur. This is useful when you want to search for a pattern in an entire directory structure. For example, if you want to search for the word to do in all files within the /home/user/project/ directory, you would use the command grep r to do /home/user/project/. Next is the L option, which displays only the names of the files that contain matches, rather than the matching lines themselves. To list only the log files containing the word error, you can use the command grep lerror *.log. There are also options to display context around the matching lines. The in option, where n is a number, prints in lines of trailing context after each matching line. For example, grep a2exception_error.log will show the matching lines plus 2 lines after each match. Similarly, the bn option prints in lines of leading context before each matching line. For example, grep b3fatalsystem.log will display the matching lines plus 3 lines before each match. Multiple grep options can be combined to create powerful search commands. Let's look at some examples. To search for the word error, regardless of case, and also display the line numbers, you can combine the I and N options like this: grep in errorlogfile.txt. This will search for error in any case and show the line numbers where the matches are found. To recursively count the occurrences of the word function in all files under the src/directory, you can use the R and the options together, grep rc function src/. If you want to find the word exception, regardless of case, and also show 2 lines after each match, you can combine the A2 and I options, grep A2I exception error.log. Lastly, to list only the file names containing the word to do in the projects directory, you can use the L and R options together, grep lr to do/projects/. By default, grep searches for exact string matches in each line of the file. So the command grep hello file.txt will match lines containing the exact word hello. You can use the W option to match whole words only, and not parts of other words. For example, grep wlog script.js will match the word log, but not login or catalog. You can search for multiple patterns using the option multiple times. The command grep error warning app log will match lines containing either error or warning. If you want to treat the pattern as a fixed string and not as a regular expression, you can use the F option. For example, grep f$5 prices.txt will match the literal string $5, and the $sign will not be treated as a special regular expression character. Let's explore some simple regular expressions that you can use with grep to make your searches more powerful. The caret symbol matches a pattern only at the start of a line. The command grep *thestory.txt will match lines that begin with the dollar symbol matches a pattern only at the end of a line. For example, grep $document.txt will match lines that end with end. The dot symbol matches any single character except a new line. So, grep cwords.txt will match cat, cot, cut, and any other 3-letter word that starts with the and ends with t. Character classes, denoted by square brackets, match any one of the characters inside the brackets. For example, grep text.txt will match any line containing a vowel. Let's learn about some more regular expressions. The asterisk symbol matches 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character. The command grep co*lwords.txt will match cl, call, cool, cool, and so on. The plus symbol matches 1 or more occurrences of the preceding character. This requires the option for extended regular expressions. So, grep eco plus lwords.txt will match call, cool, cool, but not cl. The question mark symbol matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding character, also requiring the option. The command grep color text.txt will match both color and color. Finally, the backslash is an escape character, which allows you to match special characters literally. The command grep $price data.txt will match the string $price, and the $sign will not be treated as a special regular expression character. Let's go through some practical examples of using grep. To find IP addresses in a log file, you can use the command grep 0-93/30-913 access.log. This command uses an extended regular expression to search for patterns that match the format of an IP address. To search for the term function main in only .c and .h files within the src/ directory, you can use the command grep r function main include equals *.ch src/. This command recursively searches for the specified pattern, but limits the search to files with the .c or .h extension. To find error messages in a case-insensitive manner and display 3 lines after each match in all .log files, you can use the command grep a3 error \exception \failed *.log. This command searches for the terms error, exception, or failed, ignoring case and shows 3 lines of context after each match. To count the number of times the word Linux appears in the article.txt file, you can use the command grep o-linux article txtwcl. This command outputs only the matching words and then uses the wl command to count the number of lines, which gives you the count of the word Linux. In conclusion, grep is a powerful and versatile command for text searching and pattern matching in Linux and Unix systems. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.